What's up guys? Today we're going to do something simple, which is how to fix a nail in your tire. My girlfriend's car here, she's got a screw in the tire, so come along for the ride.
It's crazy that if you go to a tire shop, they charge you so much to just do what you just did.
First we're going to take the tire off, get to the screw, and then I'll show you guys the next steps. Alright guys, so here's the screw. What you do is you go to like Walmart or anywhere, you get yourself a tire plug kit. It looks like this, it's got a handle like this. Alright guys, I'm actually going to put a link down below where you can get your own little rubber nail patch kit. I don't know what they're called, but I've always had one of these. Link down in the description where you can get one for your emergency kit for your car. And then you get these rubber. This one already has all the gunk on it. Some come with gunk that you add to it, but it's just a little strip. So what you do is you get it ready to go. This one I've had for a little while. You take the strip, okay. Yep, that was the last one. She's lucky I had one more. She's really lucky.
Oh.
And
You're not wrong.
you slip it, get in here close, slip it right here through the eye of this thing.
The eye of the tiger.
Grab it, pull it through there. Almost done. Almost got it. Probably just used a regular pair of pliers, but we're filming and I'm lazy and I'm not gonna go get them. Okay, so you just pull it through. Once you get it fed through, you want to. It's like threading a needle, so you gotta put it where it is halfway in there, like that, so even on both sides. And then, all right, get something that you can pull the situation out of there.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna stick this down here. I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna make get some leverage going. This other tool. So grab it, pull it out. All right, now the air's coming out. There's a cleaning tool piece. All right, here's the cleaner. This comes with it too. That cleans the hole. So you want to jam that in there and clean it. So you just twist it in there.
Oh, wow.
Alright, that cleans it. The air's coming out real fast. Then we're going to jam in the piece that has the sticky plug. We're going to jam it in all the way. Push, push, push. Okay, you see guys how there's just two pigtails like that, just barely sticking out? Then what we're gonna do is rip quick. Boom! Just like that. And then you get your knife and you just cut the pigtails flush with the rubber of the tire, just like this. This one was in between the treads, so it's going to be very, very stable. Just like that, and then you're good to go.